Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you this 2024 Chevy Traverse that I got that I'm just installed leather on. Just finished it up. Just want to do a quick walk around for you. Before I show you that, we got some Z06s, bro. Yeah. So anyway, it's very clean. I like it. I think it looks a lot better than the current one. This is a LT model. I like that dual exhaust. It's a lot better look. Let me show you from this side since there's a lot of sun on the other side. Okay. So the customer decided to go with black leather perforated inserts and the silver stitch, as you can see right here. I think it looks very good. Let me turn this down. Let's check out the dash. Overall, it's very nice. I like it. Let's check out the back. And they're pretty spacious. Fold this down. Here's your third row. Almost looks factory, doesn't it? Yeah, I know. I know it's clean. There's your passengers, your driver's side back seats. The quality of this leather, it's on point. It looks really good. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Let me know what you guys think. Again, the stitching matches what's already in the vehicle. Kind of just a good recommended match for from Katzkin. You even have it up here on the dash and on the doors as well. And there goes those Z06s again. Let's just go look at the price. I know people are wondering. But yes, I know it's a Z06 because I checked it out earlier. But bam. Let's see here. 2025, and they are asking 131. Well, a sticker price, no telling what they're asking here. Anyway, that's all I got. Let me know what you guys think.